Guys, look how sick this is. It's a Evo 9 wagon. I don't think you ever get to see these unless they're, let alone in the fucking world. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome to the videos. We are over here at Intent Performance. They're having a little Carwash JDM meet, a Subi, a couple of Datsuns. So yeah, I'm just getting to the events, haven't looked at what cars they are. So let's check it out for the first time. Guys, this is how sick this is. It's a Evo 9 wagon. I don't think you ever get to see these unless they're, let alone in the fucking world. Looks sick. Damn. Hardly ever did you see one of these Evos. Okay, sorry guys, my camera died, so just recording this on the phone quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed the cars over here at Intent Performance. I didn't manage to be able to speak to anyone because everyone is so occupied, but really a couple of sick cars. I'm going to link them down below if I can find their Instagram. Check them out at Intent Performance. They look like they're more Subi based. Thank you guys for joining me for another video. It was pretty short, but I always love just coming out, checking out all the JDM cars. Yeah, it's a big passion of mine, and pretty soon I'll be driving around with one of my own. But for now, the old Figo babes, she'll be getting all the upgrades, you know. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everyone that has supported over the last year. I just want to remind you guys, it's absolutely free to like the video, it's absolutely free to share the video and to subscribe. So please do that. It helps me out so much and it helps my content get out a bit as well. So I really appreciate the people that do share and that do like and do comment. Thank you for you. And yeah, welcome to all the new peeps. Keep the positive vibes flowing, just keep going, and I'll see you guys soon.